Welcome to Briscoe Galaxy. I'm Abraham Tabat, and in this video today we are going to be looking at top 3 best real estate WordPress themes in 2020 for your next web project. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other amazing videos we create at Briscoe Galaxy. I'm going to be showing you my top recommendations for real estate WordPress themes. Let's jump right in and get started. The top theme on my list is WP Residence. This is a theme I've used myself. The web developers working on this theme have constantly been improving this theme. The first time I used this theme was in 2018, and this is 2020. You can see a lot of improvements on the theme, their functions, and also they've added a couple of features on the theme, and their demos are amazing. So you can see you have several demos you can use for your web project. It has a powerful advanced search feature that allows the users on the website to search for whatever they are looking for easily. The property page has a couple of options you could use on the property page. If you go through, you see, and you can see all property lists support Ajax filtering and update the map in real time. This is amazing. This is mobile optimized. Like it works, the theme works perfectly on mobile devices. So, and this theme has also been optimized for search engines also. All right, right now we're going to review one of the demos and see what the demo actually looks like. Let's try this one out. This buy, sell, and rent. So we'll open this in a new tab and try it out. This theme already has like over 16,000 buyers already. The design on this theme is amazing. Very simple design, straightforward. The navigations are just very simple, like nothing crazy here. This is a professional real estate theme. You can go through this and see how it actually looks. You can see how the properties are listed. You can see the features. It has buttons for you to share the property, add as favorite, and also compare with other properties. This is an amazing feature that this property website has. And you see this filtering option here. They could actually filter by keywords, by category, and also type. And you can see an advanced search filter here. One thing I also love about this theme is the user can have access to their account where they can list properties themselves. So it means you can have a paid listing feature on the website where users can be sectioned as just usual users trying to purchase a property, and developers, real estate agents, or real estate agency. This team allows you to have this variety of users on the website. You can see the look of this theme, very professional. I like the way the properties are listed on this theme. You can see the footer, very professional. Nothing crazy about this theme. And you're designing a professional website for your clients. You don't really want to design complex websites. You want to design something very simple and user friendly, and this team has been able to provide that solution. The second theme is Houzez. Probably you might have come across this theme. This theme has already attracted over 17,000 sales. If you go through this theme, it has a lot of demos, guys. It has a lot of demos, so you could have different looks, and you can see it's mobile optimized. If we open any of this demo, we are going to look at one of the demos and see, but let's just go through the theme and see some feature this theme has. And if you go through, you can see it has an amazing filtering option. It allows you to filter properties very easily with different filters on the website. I love this grid layout here on the website. You could have this amazing grid layout for the properties on the website. It also has this advanced CRM system that you can also integrate to the your website, and it tracks every lead, clients, and users on the website. It also has this analytic feature that have insights to the users on the website. It gives you different demos for single agents, for agencies also, and if you go through, you see for single properties, for new agencies, for luxury real estate, modern agencies. So you have access to different demos. You can see this lead generation. You could have a front page that is able to generate leads for the real estate agency and this team is able to achieve that. So any of the demos you fall in love with, you could actually get to use it. You see, they have added new demos. These demos were not available previously. This team has been able to add these demos, and this is amazing. So let's check out one of the old demos they had and see what it looks like. You can see the professional look on this team, very professional. And I'm actually clicked in to see what the property listing would look like. It has this gallery feature here that you actually would you can actually sort out the properties. You see, very amazing. Description here, very simple, straightforward. You can actually chat and converse with the agent that listed the property, send them a message or call them. Map, you can see it has a mortgage calculator also. You can go through and see all the demos. These are very amazing demos. You can see this new demo. This is professional, guys. See, this is so professional, guys. You see how this team looks. See the screen feature here. It has this form here. You could actually capture leads, and the leads are integrated to your CRM directly. I love the footer, also very simple. This simple newsletter, call to action, sign up form here. Check this team. This team is mobile responsive. This is amazing, guys. There's a direct link to all these teams below, so you feel free to check these teams out. And let's look at the #1 team ranking on our list. Okay, the #1 team ranking on our list is the Houzez. They call it Houzez, I guess. So this team, I love the look of this team. It actually looks like a web application. That is why I fell in love with this team. For the next real estate web project I'm going to be working on, I'm going to be using this team. I love the way it looks, and you can see how professional it is. You could just search by location and search by property type. You could add more property types here and add more locations. So, and you can see here it's the categories here listed, the category buildings and houses, office, shops. You could add more categories here. I love the feature on this team. The look also has this grid feature here. I love the way the properties are listed. The animation is awesome. It's just lovely. I love the way the team looks. It has this user registration on the website. Users can register and have accounts. You could actually build the users for different accounts they have. You could have this membership accounts for all the users on the website. And also, if you click to look at what the listing of each property looks like, let's see. Let's click this and look at what it looks like. So you can see how the listing is professional. I tell you, this will go for a web application. It also has a mortgage calculator on this team, and I just love the team. It has also this property video feature and this 360-degree feature here that is integrated with the 360 player. Besides just having regular images of the property like this, the user on the website can have a 360 degree of the property, and I love this feature. This is, you can see the layout, you can see how the listings are. I love the review. I love the layout for this team structure, and it's also mobile responsive, guys. Let's try that out. You can see how it looks on mobile. Very amazing, beautiful, well structured, professional real estate team. This will blow your client's mind. If you use this team for your client's real estate web project, I mean, they would soon love the web project, because this will look so professional. It loads very fast. This team is lightweight. It loads very fast. You can see how it works. See how amazing the footer looks like. So these are a list of the top 3 best real estate WordPress teams for your next web project.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would love other exciting videos on tech, growing your business and making more money online, kindly subscribe to our channel at Breed School and click the bell notification icon to stay updated on other upcoming videos we create. You can also connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Breed School, or visit us at breedschool.com. Have a great time and keep soaring. Bye.